This is a addendum to the video before I put this video in the can there, thumbing around, and they just identified as Ottawa. That's 1010. Oh, there we go.
Then Spa Boy from Arctic Spa is for you. Forget the weekly testing. Spa Boy is a probe that adjusts your sanitization levels 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The water is always perfect. Spa Boy, the world's most advanced water testing and management system, is available at Paradise Bay. Visit GoParadiseBay.com.
Think of the beating your poor feet take. No wonder they get sore. At Canadian Footwear, we understand foot pain.
Canadian footwear.
Trying to help you find the right shoes for your feet, your job, and your lifestyle. We stock more widths, more sizes, and more brands. And we carry a wide selection of orthotics. Stand up for your feet. Come to Canadian Footwear at the corner of Minot and John Murray Boulevard, Northwest. It's worth the trip.
I'm tired. Right now. 10 and 2. 4-3. Get more tired?
Now get 4 select tires for the price of 3, including Goodyear. Details at fountaintire.com. Offer ends soon. Fountain Tire. We're on this road together.
Download the Radio Player Canada app today. Perfect for your smartphone or tablet. 500 great Canadian radio stations from coast to coast, all free and easy to use. Great features like the ability to Chromecast the app. It's fully integrated with Sonos, now with the Amazon Echo smart speaker. Take Sportsnet 9 with you. Download the Radio Player Canada today. Sportsnet in 60 minutes. Rob Turner. Right now, get started in AT&T financing 60 months. Plus $1,000 SU leadership bonus. Most new one for my friends at Metro Ford. Come see all the innovation available on the entire line of Canada's selling SUVs at Metro Ford. 1111 9th Avenue. And always at MetroFord.ca. No surprises. CFAC 960. Sportsnet. See the best live from Calgary, Alberta, owned by Rogers Media. Listen live at Sportsnet.ca/960 or on the Sportsnet app. Hey buddies, it's Boomer and Warner from the morning show. We have a lot of good ideas. Sometimes our heart is in the right place, and this is one of those times. Along with Wild Rose Brewery, we're going to try and make a difference.
Yeah, it's something we wanted to talk about and do for a long time. Soldier On is a great cause. It's a cause for the soldiers who have been injured, who've been affected by war and by their duties. These guys do a lot for us, and it's time for us to do something.
Wild Rose Brewery has put together 6-pack bottles of Electric Avenue with our faces on the bottle. Sorry about that. But 100% of the proceeds from these 6-packs goes right to Soldier On. All of it. Every dime sold of this beer goes to Soldier On. You can visit their website at soldieron.ca, but you can only buy them at the tavern. You gotta go to Three Bears.
Oh, that sounds terrible. I hate to stop there for you.
Yeah. These will be on sale until June 30th, so we ask for your support to help us help Soldier On with Wild Rose Brewing. Breaking Flames news on the air and online first. Home for Calgary Flames. Sportsnet 960. The Fan. This is Overtime. Call, text, email right now. Pat Steinberg is talking Flames hockey. Sportsnet 960. The Fan.
All right, let's continue right along in the program tonight. Pat Steinberg along with you from the Scotiabank Saddledome. Haven't read any text tonight. I'm just going to, in no particular order, hockey-wise.
Okay. I think that's a new radio station. They kept identifying, I hope the microphone picked it up. They kept identifying as 1060 Sports, Ottawa. I've never picked up 1060. 1010 is what I picked up, and 1010 is what I thought I was listening to. But hopefully you heard it. 1060 Ottawa. That's super duper freaky deaky fantastic. That, wow. Amazing. just simply amazing. Just imagine if I had a long wire or a loop or something on this radio, how fantastic that might be. I think before I put it up for the winter, I will do just that. Of course, I'm goofing when I say the winter, but it is time to move on to my next radio, to my next repair. ShamWow is all I could say. So if you have one of these radios, you see what the potential is. Very impressive. All right, well, this will wrap up this section of the video. Long-winded addendum, I know. So with that, I will wish you the fondest adieu. Anyway, we're ending the video now. Bye.